This picture was shot and edited on mobile phone using Snapseed.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I will not follow any specific levels, I will go by the image. There is enough brightness in the picture, so I am adding little contrast. A bit saturation. Ambience and brightness is not the same thing. Ambience fills the light into whole scene. No need of highlights. I need some blacks in the image, so I am making shadow levels around -15. Making it little warm. Keep checking the image after every change you make. Next, details. This picture has enough sharpness, so I'm increasing structure levels by 40 points. Looks fine, but I want to add little saturation at this level. It's time to get our subject into focus. So I'm using blur option to get it on focus. This is not a wider image, so I'm decreasing the transition levels. I'm increasing the blur by 65 points. Flow of the blur should be smooth from every corner of the image. Select brush tool, tap on exposure, make it -0.3 and paint on all the leaves except the main subject. Select the -0.7, paint the remaining background. If you have painted on the wrong place, use eraser. I'm zooming the image to make it precise. Now I'm increasing brightness level by 15 points. Again I'm using brush tool to saturate main subject. Now the final touch, glamour glow. I have selected the second option. Use crop to elevate the main subject. Select square format if you are using it for Instagram. Adding credits with the text tool. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to Teknoqs and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.